Hello everyone. Today we will see about the body donation. Body donation refers to the act of giving one's body after death for scientific research and medical education purposes. Body donors allow medical students, researchers and scientists to study anatomy and disease, develop new surgical techniques and test new medical treatments and devices. In most cases, body donation are accepted by medical schools and research institutions who use the bodies for a specified period of time and then provide a proper burial or a cremation for the remains. The process and requirements for body donation vary depending on the country and the specific institution. So it is important to research and understand the policies before making a decision. There are two main types of the body donation. First is a whole body donation and second one is a tissue donation. First, whole body donation. So as the name suggests, whole body donation involves donating one's entire body for scientific and the medical research. Second, tissue donation. Tissue donation refers to the donation of specific body parts such as organs, bones, or skin for transplantation, medical research, or educational purposes. Tissue donation can be done while a person alive, living donation, or after death, posthumous donation. It is important to note that not all body donation are accepted by institution and there are specific criteria that must be met, such as age, medical history and cause of death. Additionally, many institutions require written consent and a donor registry or a donor card. Now, there are several advantages to body donate. So, first one is the advancement of medical knowledge. By allowing medical students, researchers and scientists to study the human body donors help advance our understanding of anatomy, disease and medical treatments. Second, in medical education. Medical students rarely on body donation to learn about anatomy and develop their surgical skills. Third, saving lives through tissue donation. Tissue donation can save lives by providing much needed transplants for people with serious illnesses or the injuries. Fourth one is a cost saving. So, as per the name, body donation is often a cost effective alternative to traditional funeral arrangement. Fifth one is the legacy. Body donors have the opportunity to leave a lasting legacy by helping to advance medical knowledge and improve the lives of others. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.